This is the latest AI coding tool that I've been obsessed with, and this is not a sponsored video, and I want to share it with you. So the app is called Conductor, and it's a very agent-forward way of writing code and building out features. So the way that it works is you import a repo, and then you can create a brand new workspace. And each of these is a dedicated GitHub work tree that can run its own dedicated Claude Code or OpenAI Codex instance right there. So it is essentially a Claude Code and Codex wrapper in a really nice graphical interface, and it has a really nice diff viewer for when you want to just quickly see all the changes. And it is so far the best experience I have had in terms of running multiple parallel agents at once, but there are some downsides associated with it as well. The first issue is the fact that the latest codex or latest Claude code that is supported inside Conductor is not always guaranteed to be the latest Claude Code CLI or latest OpenAI Codex CLI available. And that's because Conductor has to build in support for the latest versions that are constantly being released, so sometimes you miss out on the bleeding edge features. Another thing that annoys me about Conductor is the fact that this Git diff review system, this is really just plain text viewing, plain text editing. You don't have access to LSPs, so you can't do a jump to definition, find all references that you could in a more full-blown text editor like VS Code or Vim. But luckily they do have a workaround for that, which is you are able to open up this exact work tree in any repo you want with a quick keyboard shortcut, and you can open up your code base in any of these supported apps. It's a decent workaround, but even these days when a lot of the times I'm just doing simple Git reviews of the code changes that AI makes, there are a lot of times where I still want to jump to definition, find all references. It's a faster way for me to review code. So I still do find myself having to jump into a code editor, jump into Vim, to do a more thorough code review, but for really small changes, Conductor has been amazing where I'm able to just do a quick Git review on the code changes, make a PR, and let it run. Another really nice feature that they have is that as your PR is running, it actually pulls their PR to see all of the different CI, CD checks that are going on. You can check the status of it, and then you can actually merge it when it's ready to merge, and it alerts you if you have any errors up here as well when that comes up. You should give it a try and let me know what you think. If you're interested in a more in-depth review where I compare Conductor to other similar tools of very agent-forward code editors or pieces of software, then you can check out this video right here.